What's the name? If you have it, I want to go market. I want to
Well, more.
this one is that buy am for us. Buy am for us. Let me buy fresh pepper, 100 naira. I be 100 naira that you catch someone to be on now. Okay, buy me fresh pepper. 100 dollars. Big small. Okay, buy fresh pepper 100. Maggi no 200. Maggi no 200. Fresh pepper 100. Maggi no 200. That's 300, Abi. What's name again? What do you take pepper soup?